Can I have your attention?
Yep.
Okay.
Hey, what's up, guys? So we skipped a few days. We spent about 3 days on the wiring for all these switches, and I just didn't want to really make a video about it because it was just back and forth of like finding everything. So we just decided to skip that. So we're up to day 11. So what I've done is so this switch is just for show basically, because you still need the key. So what we have here is AC radio on that switch. We got the light bar that's going on the roof on this switch. We have the spare, that's a spare switch if anyone wants to use it in the future. We have this horn, which is pretty neat. Hello? Hello? Oh, that's gonna be fun. And we got one of my favorite switches. So mounting this light bar, mounting that light bar, cleaning up the doors. Oh, and we have to do something with the rear window because Lauren noticed that it was broken. So we're just going to have to put a sheet of metal across there and maybe cut a hole, or maybe not cut a hole and just... Yeah, so that's kind of sad because we don't have mirrors, and now we're going to have a blacked out rear window. So I'm not going to see shit. So we'll see. Alright, let's get to it. Woohoo!
It's nice.
Yeah, it looks good.
Does the job.
It looks actually fucking sick.
Yeah, it's
What
alright.
colour are we going to paint it?